Finally, the long-awaited Etherfi Season 4 has confirmed the launch of their distribution on DApp Radar. But before we delve into the details, if you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable the notification bell to stay updated about all crypto realm news. As usual, I will leave the link to check your eligibility in the description below. To increase your chances, ensure you hold LSTs or LRTs. Now, as you may all be aware, DApp Radar, where this airdrop is hosted, is a dApp store where users can trade everything from DeFi to NFTs and gaming. The white paper describes DApp Radar, RADAR, as an architectural platform of traditional app stores, coupled with metrics used particularly for dApps, like wallets, floor pricing, and transaction volumes. On the technical side, according to our current Etherfi price prediction, the price of Etherfi is predicted to rise by 235.26% and reach $5.15 by December 15th, 2024. Per our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish, while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 80, extreme greed. Etherfi recorded 13 out of 30, 43% green days, with 9.36% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on the Etherfi forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Etherfi. That was all for today's video. I hope you like it, crypto mates, and I will see you in the next one with new juicy airdrops.